Dive into a universe of live gaming, creative streams, and captivating sports right on your Samsung Smart TV by effortlessly installing the Twitch app. First things first, grab your Samsung Smart TV remote. You will want to press the home button. It usually looks like a little house. This will take you to your TV's main home screen. From here, navigate over to the apps icon. It's typically found in the menu bar along the bottom or side of your screen. Once you're in the App Store, look for the search icon. It's usually a magnifying glass. Select that to open up the search bar. Now, using your remote, type in Twitch into the search bar. You should see the Twitch app appear in the search results. Go ahead and select it. On the Twitch app's information page, you'll find an install button. Press that to begin the download and installation process. Your TV will now download and install the app. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet connection. Once installation is complete, the Twitch app icon will appear on your app screen or your main home screen. Select the Twitch app to open it. You'll then be prompted to log in with your Twitch account or create a new one if you don't already have one. And that's it. You're now ready to explore thousands of live streams, catch up on your favorite gamers, and immerse yourself in the exciting world of esports, all from the comfort of your couch on your Samsung Smart TV.